everyone, welcome to today's practical class. Now in this class we are going to be creating a web page that displays a welcome message, alright, or any other message of our choice. Alright, okay. Now I have this example here, so you can try this out on your own. Alright, okay. So we all know the basic structure, which is this here. Then we also have this our script inside our HTML document, and we already know what the alert does. Is going to display this in a it's going to pop this up in a dialog box. All right, it's going to pop welcome to my first JavaScript page in a dialog box. Then this is document.write, which is used to display a message on the web page itself. Okay, so this is going to now display hello student, let's learn JavaScript what together. Okay, so this is going to pop up first, then before outputting this on our web page. Okay, so let's try this out. All right, so let's go to our Visual Studio Code here. I'm going to be creating an HTML file here. So let's index.html. All right, and let's change the title. So we can just come here to see we have this title here, or we can choose another title of our choice if we feel like. All right, remember these are just what simple stuffs. So let's run this. Okay, so you see we have the title here. You can say welcome messages. All right, okay, so we have our script, and we want to alert this welcome to my first JavaScript page. All right, let me just copy the write up. Then the next one, okay, we'll be coming for that later. So let's come to our body here. Remember this is the internal method to add your script. So we'll be saying alert. All right, now we have the dialog box, but we are not outputting anything yet because there's nothing inside here. Okay, so inside this quote here, I'm going to now paste the welcome message. All right, so let's reload. Now you can now see welcome to my first JavaScript page. All right, so after that I want to also output a test on my web page itself. So to do that we use the document.write, remember. All right, then a quote, then inside this quote here, inside this double quote here, that is where I will now place anything I want to write. So we can say welcome. All right, you can see it here. Or let's go to get that output message, hello students. All right, okay, so you can see it here, hello student, let's learn what JavaScript together. Okay, so you can see this is for the alert, and this is for the document.write. All right, then remember to use your comments. Right, so here on this sample we have this comment here that tells you that, oh, this is what show a greeting message when the page load. So this is just telling you what this code does. All right, and this comment also is telling you what this other code does. So we might use our own write up for our own comment if we feel like. Okay, so let's go back to do that. And remember, the comment are what? Non-executable. So let's come here. Let's say so you can see the code below outputs a message in a dialog box. Alright. Then we have this other comment here. And yeah, let me say okay. So yeah, we say the code below writes directly to our web page. Alright, so you can give any comment of your choice. You can give any comment of your choice. Alright. Okay. So this is just for our first practical, how to output data, or how to output message. And for this we are displaying a welcome message. All right.